In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your Xiaomi router using power bank. Start by looking at the power requirements for your router, which you can usually find on a label on the back or bottom of the device. Next, make sure your power bank has the right voltage and amperage specifications. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that works with your setup. Plug the DC end into the power port of your router. Connect the USB end to the power bank. Turn it on, and you'll see the indicator lights on your router come on, letting you know that it's powered up. If the router isn't working correctly, it might be because the power bank isn't providing enough power. In this case, you'll need to disable the 5G network. Don't forget to check out the other video in the description for a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to do it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think in the comments.